Hello.
Sure. Hi, JD. Hi. How are you today?
I'm sorry, Christine, if you said anything I didn't
Oh,
hear.
just how are you?
Oh, yeah. I'm good. How about you?
Good, good.
Yeah, my headphones, like I need to configure them right. Uh, like it has active noise cancellation, and then when I speak something, it has like a transparent audio as well, so it will just stop the speakers, just so that it thinks that I'm in a conversation, so it knows to stop the speaker so that I can hear outside voices, and in that sense it doesn't understand that I'm on a call, so I just stop hearing anything.
Oh, okay, okay. Got it. Anything fun these days? Gatekeeper?
Just preparing about like upcoming upcoming release. So we
Mm-hmm.
are going to cut a release, like at least a release candidate on 25th, so that doesn't give me much time to work on the PRs.
I
So
see.
I'm gonna ramp up uh, as much as I can, at least this 2 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
So it gives me enough time to like review the PRs and then get a release candidate out and released on next Wednesday. How
Do you
about
know?
you? I
Oh,
haven't
me?
seen you in some time.
Oh, yeah. Because I'm in the new team. I'm helping them. They're setting up. It's a little bit busy, and I was so confused. So, oh, how's it? Do you know any expected release date for 3.20?
Uh, so we want to cut release candidate on 25th, and generally like we take 2 weeks to then actually cut the release. So it would be in the first, maybe second week of July.
Mm-hmm.
Um, just because like we want to keep enough time between a release candidate and an actual release for folks to report bugs to us and
Mm-hmm.
then fix them. So yeah, so that's when you should expect 3 way.
Mm-hmm. Oh, thanks a lot.
Do you have anything in mind today?
Oh no, I just here for just hearing what you guys doing. Nothing from me. What about other people? They are busy, not coming.
Uh, Max, I don't think is back yet, and Rita has conflict. I'm waiting for Sardash um, to like see if he is able to join the call or not.
Gotcha.
Yeah, like coming up to the release today, I think like we had milestone planning in the agenda, but if folks are not able to join, then we won't be able to triage any issues. Are there any issues or something that you would like in 321? Then feel free to like raise it on GitHub, or just let us know so that we can
Sure. Mm.
see if that's something we want to include in 321 or not.
Okay, sure, sure.
So you said you are in East Coast somewhere, Christine?
Yeah, I'm in Toronto.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, in Canada. Oh, where are you in?
I'm in Washington, so
Oh, Washington, D.C.?
no, no, not
Or
DC, the
Washington?
state.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hello,
Hi.
Hello.
Long time no see you.
Christine.
Hi.
Yeah, it looks like we don't have an agenda, but we should talk about the release.
Yeah. Like I was hoping to get through some issues and see if we want them on. Uh,
I think one of them is still pending Rita's uh, input, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's ping
I
her.
mean, at this point, I don't think we can do like we can get it in 320 anyway. So we just
Got it. Okay, yeah, let's move it to 21 then. Oh, before we begin, Christine, did you have any topics you want to discuss?
Oh, no, no, nothing.
Okay, yeah.
I
If
just,
you have anything, yeah, feel free to bring it in.
oh, thank you.
So I think the remaining ones are the one that's Noah is working on to the CRD.
yeah. He has a PR up. I reviewed it once. He
Hmm.
pushed some changes. I'm gonna review it again. I want to make sure it's like thoroughly reviewed. Um, So yeah, but I mean, I was able to test the connections and everything with a CRD instead of config map, so that's kind of good. Apart from that, um, I think supporting delete operations, we also need to push it to 321. I don't think I'm gonna get to it yet. It's just
I think somebody said they're gonna work on this one, right?
yeah, yeah. I mean, who the person who raised it, um, kind of I just asked them if they they are interested in working
Yeah.
on this.
Let me assign it to the person. The who.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you agree with the comment that I do you have enough context about this issue or not?
This is for.
So
I
this is
actually don't have the
basically
context. Actually, hold on.
okay. So in VAP, right? Right now when we create VAP from templates, we just do it for create and update operations. So
Gotcha.
like
Yeah.
we in admission webhook we have this ability to define operations, not in constraint template, but for VAP it's within the validating admission policy per policy that you can define whether or not you want to invoke this on what operations, like
Yeah.
So somebody just asked basically to enable delete for VAP as well. So right now by default we only support create and update while generating VAP. So the likely solution I was thinking is one, like we can introduce a new field in constraint template. Uh, and another one is like we actually need to look at the webhook and see if the gatekeeper administrator actually intends to enable the delete operation for the webhook and then translate it alongside the constraint template field to VAP to make sure both, like in both places in webhook and in constraint template, delete is included in order for VAP to be we in order for VAP to have the delete operation as well.
Mhm.
Cool. I'll just push it to 321. Uh, yeah, cool. This I mean, yeah, I am reviewing. Actually, there is one more PR that user is interested in getting to 320. 396. So let me just share my screen. I'm reviewing it and we are kind of close on that one. So
Oh, and then I might release checklist PRs needs a TCO. I'll do that now.
yeah. So this one, 3968. Uh, so this is basically somebody wants to somebody basically wants to parameterize the operations in each port that we have right now. Uh, so I just asked them to add Helm variable for each and every one.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this one's the easier one. Yeah.
Yeah. So they had wrong defaults and then they pushed the changes a couple of days ago. I just need to review it once more, and that's
Okay.
about it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Let me add it to this milestone so that I don't forget.
I think I messed up my P. Yeah, no, it's fine.
The DCO?
Yeah, I thought I messed it up. I did not. Sorry.
Oh
Oh
my
no, I
god!
didn't.
Yeah.
I no, I didn't actually. Oh yeah, the result is fine.
Why does it say 22 commits?
Yeah, it's because I did the rebase. I just hold on. I just copy pasted from the TCO's recommendation, so I blame the TCO recommendation. So yeah, but the result is the same. Yeah, because those are already merged in. So it's yeah, I don't know why it's keep adding.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. Okay. Cool. Then that's about it for the current milestone. I think we are in a good shape to get this done. Yeah. Once I review Noah's PR and a PR that I'm working on as well for like making sure the removal of connection is smoothless. I'll just ping you for reviews.
Yep, sounds good. Yeah, and we'll target for.
25th.
I mean, if you're done early, then we'll be done early.
Yeah.
That'll make it easier.
Yeah. Yeah.
If not, let's target the RC release on 25 then.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. Do you think we should wait for going through the issues and triaging for 21 after we cut the RC?
Yeah, let's do that. This after we cut the RC, let's do the 21, and then we can sort by like the thumbs up or the most comments or something like that, and then add things.
Okay. Cool. Um, Yeah, I don't have anything else.
And I opened an issue for that uh, the user reported component statuses thing.
Yeah.
Um,
I saw that
yeah,
issue.
that one is a good one for anybody to pick up. It's just a saying something in FAQ or like docs. I don't know if you have FAQ. I don't remember now, but
We do.
that
I think I raised a PR a while back
yes,
to add that.
yeah, something that says like, hey, this is expected behavior. It's not gatekeeper doing these calls, but it is it's like how audit works, and then you can use the audit match kind only um, to so it doesn't do that.
So, so the issue is basically the component status resource.
It doesn't matter.
Uh,
It's just any resource. It's
yeah,
just that's just something that's deprecated. So I think people are
yeah,
seeing that more. But it could be say like in any deprecated thing in the cluster basically.
yeah, yeah.
And because the gatekeeper audit as a star, so it does a list call on everything. Um, so and then we added this audit match kind only to not for this specifically, but basically to reduce the number of calls to audit because we were just doing too many lists. And then if so this one basically just scopes it to the ones that are defined in the constraints. But if you have a constraint that doesn't have like specific kinds, then it's gonna fall back to everything. So even if you set the flag will be not gonna be used.
Yeah. It's kind of wild how the whole audit is designed. Like it's not wild. First time I went through the code, I was quite impressed. It's a very like scalable thing as long as your node resources supports it. So, uh, yeah, that's about it then.
Cool. Um, any other
Cool.
topics you want to discuss?
Mhm. I don't think
How
so.
is Noah's PR coming?
So, it has like all the end-to-end changes and everything. I just had like initial feedback that I posted, and then I'm gonna go through. So in the initial feedback that I posted didn't include any tests that he added. So I'm gonna go through tests as well now to make sure that every change is covered and it's in good shape. The changes, like the controller changes and everything, looked good, so that I'm relieved about. So it shouldn't be
Cool.
like much of a back and forth.
Sounds good.
Uh, yeah. Do you know if and when Mac, not if, but when Max is gonna come back? Or
I have no idea. I think Rita said she was going to text him,
uh,
but I don't know what happened.
okay, okay, yeah, cool. Nothing else. We get the time back.
Cool. We can give the time back.
Cool. Bye.
Thanks a
Have a
lot.
good one.
Bye.